Good morning and happy Wednesday to you, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Alrighty, friends. So we already did recitation, so we're going to go ahead and skip that part, but really, really quickly, friends, our math is going to start to get intense. That means our math is going to start getting a little bit harder. So the best way you're going to be able to stay with it is practice your math fact cards, all of them that you have received from us. Practice it every single day, just like when you practice your sight words. Okay, they are just as important. Yesterday, in a few sessions, we had friends that were struggling with our doubles facts. Friends, double facts should be bing, bang, boom, lickety, split. I'm having friends that are struggling with counting by fives. Friends, that should be bing, bang, boom, lickety, split. We are in the third quarter. All of this stuff should already be in your minds. Okay, so if that is not happening, that means you're not practicing enough. Okay, you're not doing your job. My job is to teach you, but your job is to learn. And if you are not doing your job, friends, then I can't do my job. And the only way I can do my job is for you to do your job. So I really need you to step up and I need you to do your job. Got it? All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and do morning meeting. So let's go ahead and see who today's student of the day will be. So yesterday's student of the day was Mahi. Let's go ahead and see who today's student of the day will be. Today's student of the day is Elisandra Renteria. All right, friends. So the very first thing Ellie would do is turn the clock to morning. And then, of course, Ellie would write her first and last name. But because Ellie is not here, I will go ahead and write it for her. And I'm going to try and write her name small so that all of her name gets to fit on here. Ellie, Sandra, and it is such a beautiful name. Okay, but I don't have room for her last name, so I'm just going to write an uppercase R. Okay, Elisandra, and it's Renteria. All right, then Mrs. Hara would give Ellie a Student of the Day sticker, and then I would give Ellie a pointer and say, all righty, young lady, you are on. And Allie should say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? January. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Tuesday, then that means that today is Wednesday. But let's just double check to make sure that we are correct. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now, friends, how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And friends, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And let's go ahead and do our A, B, B, C pattern. And we're going to start right here. Hexagon, triangle, triangle, rectangle. Hexagon, triangle, triangle, rectangle. Hexagon, triangle, triangle. And what number are we looking for? Correct, 27. So we'll go ahead and put 27 right there. Now let's go ahead and help Ellie spell the letters in the month, beginning with capital J, followed by Danilian A, Danilian N, Danilian U, Danilian A, R, and monkey tail Y. January, and then of course we are going to finger space. And what two digits are we writing today? A 2 and a 7. And a 2 and a 7 makes what number? 27, correct. Then we're going to add a comma. Is a comma number? No, it is a space. And please help me with the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 1. Excellent. Now let's go ahead and read today's date with Ellie. So here we go. Today's date is Wednesday, January 27, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 102 days, not 102, if yesterday was 102, what would today be? 103. So let's go ahead and draw out our one great big bundle of 100s. And let's see what else, if we're going to use Mr. 10s or Mrs. 1s. So here we have one great big bundle of 100. So we have 100, 101, 102, 103, and okay, I will stop right there. So let's go ahead and graph our great big bundle of 100s and Mrs. 1s on our days in school graph. So in our 100s column, I am going to write one great big bundle. In Mr. 10's column, I'm going to write a 0. And then, finally, in Mrs. 1's column, friends, 2 plus 1 equals 3. I'm going to write in Mrs. 1's column. Now, let's go ahead and compare our days in school tag to our days in school graph. So, friends, do we have one great big bundle of 100s? Do we have 0 Mr. 10s? And 3 Mrs. 1s? So, friends, how many days have we been in school? 103. That is a whole lot of days, friends. And really, really quickly, I want to show you. I want to show you what our days in school tags looks like. Look here. That is the amount of time we have left together. That's still a lot of time, friends. But think about it. Remember how big it was, and now look at it. Yep, it's getting smaller and smaller, but you know what? We're going to focus on the amount of days that we have together. That's what we're going to focus on, okay? And you know what, friends? Mrs. Harrow really, really takes teaching seriously, okay? That means I do my job 100% and more. So we're in the third quarter, so I'm going to keep pushing you and pushing you. Now, I'm not literally going to push you. When I say pushing you, that means I am going to be expecting that you do better work, because the thing is, you can do it and you will. If I were to say, nah, if you tell me, Mrs. Harrow, I can't do it, and if I said, nah, it's okay, you don't have to do it, would I be helping you? No, I wouldn't be helping you. I would be just letting you quit. And you know what? We do not quit in our classroom. I've heard that some friends say, I can't do my math facts. I can't do them. Well, guess what? The more you say, I can't, you're not going to be able to do it. And you know what, friends? We have to learn how to do math facts, because when you go to first grade, you're going to be expected to know all of your math facts. And I'm working super duper hard to help you with that, so that when you walk into first grade and your teacher says that you know your math fact cards, boy, I want your teacher to be so impressed with you guys and say, wow, I have like some super duper smart scholars, right? Because guess what? You guys are all very, very smart. But you have to take that I can't word out of your brain. Because the more you say it, you're not going to help yourself. Okay? So remember, in my class, no quitters in my class. Got it? All right, guys. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do our coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And in this coin cup, I have lots of pennies. I am going to draw a tally mark for each penny that I draw in my cup. And remember, fist in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally up 5. So here we go. All right, guys. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Sorry. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally up 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Tally up 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Tally up 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Tally up 20. All right, so now let's go ahead and count these bundles. We count them by 5. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. So here we have 20 cents, and here we have 20 tally marks. Great job. All right, friends, so it is time for our mystery bag. Dun. So I need everyone to turn on their morning brains and listen to today's clues. So today, friends, in my mystery bag, I placed some dimes and some pennies. Okay. First, I put 3 dimes in my mystery bag. So picture that in your brain. 3 dimes. Then I put 1 dime and 2 pennies. I want to know how many dimes and how many pennies are in my bag. So listen again. So today in my mystery bag, I first placed 3 dimes in my mystery bag. Then I put 1 dime and 2 pennies. I want to know how many dimes and how many pennies are in my mystery bag. Reese, how many dimes and pennies do I have total? I placed 3 dimes. Then I put 1 dime and 2 pennies. Reese says 42 cents. Thumbs up if you think Reese is correct. I don't know. So first things first, I'm going to add this to my days, actually in my meeting board. So the very first thing I did, so right here, friends, I'm going to add, this is my dimes column, and this is my pennies column, okay? So the very first thing I did was I added 3 dimes. Okay, so I put 3 dimes, and there were no pennies, okay? That was what I did first. Then I placed 1 dime and 2 pennies. Okay. Now, if I placed 3 dimes in here, then I placed 1 dime and 2 pennies. Is that a sum some more or a sum went away? Some more. So that means it is an addition problem. All right, first things first, we're going to work with our penny column. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So it says here 42. Is that correct? We are missing the cent sign. Okay, so we have 42 cents. So Reese said that it was 42 cents. Let's see what we have in our mystery bag. All right, very first coin we're going to use is the dime. Okay, and then when we switch, I will show you the coin. Okay, so here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. 42 cents. Please give Reese a round of applause. Woo, woo, woo. Great job, my friends. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and do our counting. Remember, friends, when you are watching morning meeting, the expectation for morning meeting is that you are participating. That means you are doing exactly what Mrs. Haro is doing. That is the only way you are going to learn the concepts that we're learning. Okay, so here we go. We're going to count by 100s. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Let's go backwards. 1,000, 900, 800, 700, 600, 500, 400, 300, 200, 100, 0. Excellent. Let's go ahead and count even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Great job. Counted by 5s. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Excellent. All right, odds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Here we go, counting by 10s. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's go ahead and count backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Alrighty, friends, let's go ahead and do our coin song. We haven't done that in quite some time, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so get your beautiful voices ready. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is 1. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. And a quarter's 25. And a dollar is 100 cents. Very, very good. I just love that song, my friends. All right, let's go ahead and look at today's pattern. We start off our pattern with 40, 35, 30. We are counting by what? We're counting by 5s, but we are going backwards. So 40, 35, 30, 25. Okay. All right, let's go back. 40, 35, 30, 25, 20. All right, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15. Now, friends, when you are counting backwards, the best way to check to see if you did it correctly is to count from here and go that way. So let's start right here. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Excellent. We did it, my friends. All right, let's go ahead and look at our digital clock. Our digital clock reads 4 o'clock. Our analog clock reads 11 o'clock. Our shorthand is the minute hand. And our longhand is our shorthand is the hour hand. Sorry about that. And our longhand is the minute hand. So we need to match our digital clock to 4 o'clock. So please tell me when to stop. Okay, let me go back. All right, so let's look here. Okay, the hour hand is on the 4 and the minute hand is past the 12. Analog clock reads 4 o'clock. Digital clock reads 4 o'clock. Now really, really quickly, friends, today during morning meeting, I want you to bring this lesson worksheet right here. Okay, lesson worksheet 77. So we're going to work on that today. These are the doubles plus 1. So it's going to be very, very important that you get used to doing your doubles again, and then you just add 1 more. All right, friends, so I will see you right now in just a little bit. Okay, bye, friends.